I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been solo, where do I begin?
Hey y'all, so I just made a stop. I'm currently at Dunkin'. I was gonna go to McDonald's. Well, really, I usually go to Starbucks. I'm a Starbucks girl. I don't really drink Dunkin', but Dunkin' was the closest place to the gas station that I just got out of, because I just got off the exit. I got about 2 hours left to get to Savannah. Look at these big old birds. Oh my god, y'all. Are these like freaking eagles or something? Do y'all see them birds, or am I tripping? Those are some big birds. I wish, ooh, you see that? Girl. Anyways, so yeah, I just made my first stop. Like I said, I usually go to Starbucks every road trip. That's my go-to, but there's no Starbucks nearby. The Starbucks was like a couple more miles down, and my gas light came on, and baby, I had to pee so bad. So I got gas. I'm at Dunkin'. I'm about to try this cookie butter latte thing that I've been seeing people try. So let's see. Let's see what Hi, can I have the maple sugar bacon sandwich? And can I do some hash browns? And can I do the cookie butter latte with 2 pumps toasted white chocolate mocha? Medium, please. Yes, as well as 2 extra pumps of the cookie butter. And then can I do the cookie butter cold foam with extra cookie crumbles on top? Whichever one you think is gonna be best. Yeah, I like it. I like it sweet a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Okay, thank you. I'm glad he asked me if I like it sweet, because baby, I do like it sweet, honey. I really never get Dunkin', y'all. This is why this is so like, oh my god, for me. 2 hours and 40 minutes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good one. All right, your girl got her drink, y'all. Oh, is this public service? What? Public service assistant? I know that's right. This is my drink, y'all. This is the order. Can you see that? Oh, baby, I'm sorry. This is the order. I'm gonna put it on the screen. The lighting is so bad, but let me do a taste test. Okay, that's actually good. I just taste a lot of coffee, but I like this. Hey y'all, it's Shay here, back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see by the title, my camera is literally sliding down. So if y'all notice a bit of a change, that's why. Anyways, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have y'all. This is the first video of the new year, so girl, I am excited. Happy New Year's. And I'm wishing you all the blessing, all the success, all the happiness, all the wealth and health in this 2025 year. I'm so excited for what 2025 has in store for all of us. Y'all know when it's a new year, I know what that means. That means it's my birthday coming up, and it's Capricorn season. And my mom's birthday was last week on the 5th, because we're actually born a week apart, as well as my grandma. My birthday is this Sunday on the 12th. Today is Thursday, January 9th, by the way. And my grandma's birthday is next week. We're literally all born a week apart, so that means that my daughter, she gotta be born a week apart from somebody, okay? Anyways, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I'm getting ready to start my prep and all that stuff. But before I do all of that, I of course wanted to come in and stop by and talk to you guys about my plans and what I want to do for my birthday. First things first, I'm getting all my maintenance and stuff done on Saturday. Hair, nails, I'm gonna do my own lashes, and another color I can't think of. Burgundy, that type of color, whatever. But I want to go ginger this year. I don't know why, I just have the urge, girl. So guess what, we're just doing it. Okay, we're just doing it. As far as hairstyle, I want to get like a flip over quick weave type of vibe. As far as nails, I don't know, we're gonna go with the flow. I also have a photo shoot-ish Saturday, like a little small little lifestyle type of shoot. And then my birthday is Sunday, so I'm gonna do church and maybe brunch and potentially go get my birthday freebies. That's the goal. I'm not doing nothing too crazy, you know. Of course, Saturday night we're planning on doing a little something at the house while we bring in my birthday, because I'm turning 21. So that's the plan. To be completely honest, I didn't really want to do too much. Y'all remember last year I went to Mexico for my birthday, so that was like a whole big hooray. Like it was a lot of planning, a lot of fun. I loved it. But this year, for some reason, I'm really just calm and relaxed. Like, I'm not too crazy to do nothing crazy for my birthday. But everybody keeps reminding me that I'm turning 21, and it's just like, okay, fine, I guess I'll do a little something. But I'm not too crazy to do nothing crazy, and I'm fine with that, you know. Just turning 21 is crazy. I don't know where time has gone. It's just I just been processing this whole week, to be honest with y'all. This week I just been processing. Well, I will take you guys along with me. So welcome to the birthday maintenance slash prep slash birthday vlog. But love y'all, enjoy. Hey y'all, you know what's going on. We just left the gym. I'm at the beauty supply store. I'm finna get everything that I need to get my hair done, as well as the hair dye.
First of all, salute to us for going to the gym for a whole week.
Yeah, like we've been going for a whole week. Don't play with us. First, look at Keisha, y'all.
Keisha on the buttons, bitch.
Keisha.
She done pulled the bow wow. There you go right there, look at it. Bow wow.
Bow wow. With the do-rags and all
I
that.
knew it. Stop playing with this.
What else I need? I need to get the hair dye, which is actually right here.
Friend, this is not rolling. It's not rolling.
No, them little wheels. What is that gonna be? Whose idea is this? Okay, let's look for the dye.
I was about to say, okay, die.
Oh, there it is. Right
L'Oreal, which one you do?
Ooh, they don't even. Oh yeah, copper red. Oh, this one right here. This is the color that I'm about to get. This copper color right here. Y'all see that? Yup. Getting everything I need. Hold on. Where's the developer at?
It's probably gonna be
It's probably up here. They're now in the hair section. Let's see if they have the color that I need, which I'm trying to get these bundles right here, but they look like they have 2730. They do not have ginger. So
there you go, friend. 613.
That's not what I'm looking for. Like, bruh, that's not.
What color? What's your number?
This is the color I'm looking for, copper.
What number that is?
That's like 350, but I'm looking for it in the curly bundles, but they ain't got none, so we might gotta go to.
And that number comes off with the color grid, correct?
They do not have a couple things that I need, so I'm probably gonna double check at the store, another store. They have it, but they only have it in the straight bundle, which is the one over there. We're going ginger. Here's everything I'm using. This Salon Care 40, because I needed to pick up and be very vibrant. I got 1 pack of these of the sizzling copper, and I have 4 of the regular copper. So we're gonna mix it all together and start dyeing my hair. You gonna be A-okay, who the f did your hair? Hey y'all, I know y'all are probably wondering like, what is going on, girl? You got 1 lash on. Listen, I'm doing my clusters right now. I get mine from the TikTok shop, by the way. But so I dyed my hair. This is the color. Right, she's cute. She's cute now. Earlier, I had like a freaking panic attack. That's why I was on the phone with my best friend, because I did not like, I guess I didn't like it at first. Like, I just couldn't get like a good pickup on the color. But now that I blow dried it and kind of let it sit, it looks so much better. When I first got out the shower, I was like, what the freak? I was literally having a panic attack. I did dye my brows. You can see a slight ginger in there, which I like. I'm here for it. Not as bright as I wanted to as far as my brows, but my hair, she's ginger. Like, she's ginger real bad. Yeah, she's a ginger now, so I'm happy about that. I had to kind of get myself together before I came on here having a whole panic attack, because girl, I was about, I was going through it. These clusters is what I'm putting on. I'm doing like a light fluffy set with some spikes. I bought these spikes from Amazon. I'm gonna try them for the first time. I'm debating if I want to make this eye slightly fuller. I just don't want it to be too much because my lashes are black and my eyebrows are gonna be ginger. So we don't want her to have too much going on. So that's that. But it's coming along really good though. I was having a breakdown. That was hilarious. But oh, my best friend got me a birthday gift. Let me show y'all. Y'all, hold on. Y'all see it? They're so freaking cute. I just need a dye Julio. Period. We're back in the bathroom. Let's finish up my lashes. Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off, so I just think it whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got Hey you guys, good morning. It's 9:36 and it's Saturday, January 11th. And y'all know that means my birthday's tomorrow. So excited. My friend Jada, she finished my hair yesterday. All I gotta do is kind of like blend in my leave out, straighten it curly and all of that. I also did my lashes. They came out super cute. Love it. And then my brows are getting lighter. I don't know, I guess you gotta kind of let the dots sit. I'm not sure. They're not ginger, they're brown, but I think it'll look good when she like fixes it up or whatever. But yeah, today I have my nails appointment and my eyebrow appointment, and then I have to run a couple errands, get gas, go to Target and stuff like that. But right now I'm about to blend my leave out and fix it up. My photo shoot is also tonight. I was supposed to have a car for my photo shoot and like the lady's not responding. It's just at this point I don't even freaking know what to do. So I try to get a black truck, but for me to get a black truck I'm gonna have to rent it, and I need it by today. So I'm gonna try and make a couple of phone calls today and see what I can, you know, make shake. If not, it's looking like we're just gonna have to dig it out and find a location to just take him at. That's all I can say, to be honest. I'm also gonna cut some layers and stuff in my hair because they're like super long. The hair is like super duper long. It's very long. But yeah, that's it. That's kind of what I wanted to update y'all on. So yeah, let's get my hair situated.
Oh, that's nuts, man.
He's speeding on rape, all his hand on my coochie. He touching a million coochie, doing good, John Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. 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 Tell me you'll never keep me a Haitian. I love me.
Hey y'all, I just got dressed. I want to come in and show y'all the outfit. I got this long sleeve white top from Fashion Nova, jacket Fashion Nova, jeans, pretty little thing, and I got these New Balances that I'm wearing. So that's the outfit for the appointments, my nail appointment and my brows. And I got my LV bag because I got to bring my camera and a bunch of stuff. So that's the outfit. Right now it's 11 o'clock. I wanted to leave. I have been wanting to leave really for real, but I got caught up. Yeah, so I'm about to leave right now. Hopefully I have time to stop by Target. If not, I'll just stop by Target on the way back home. Okay, I'm at the parking lot at Target. I'm about to go in there and grab a couple things, but before I do that, my mom, she had texted me and I told her I was gonna call her. So I'm gonna call her and surprise her and show her my hair. She has no clue that I dyed it. She don't even know what hairstyle I was doing. She literally has no clue. So like I said, she got no clue of like what I'm doing with my hair. She literally has no idea. So I'm about to call her, FaceTime her and surprise her and see what she says. So we're gonna see her reaction. I'm gonna call her and be like, I have a surprise. Oh, this is so pretty! Ah! I'm calling her right now. Hello? Hi, Mom.
Hey, babe. What's up, Shae?
Mom, I have a surprise. Close your eyes.
Oh, I'm looking in front, close my eyes. Oh, what surprise? What surprise is that?
Close your eyes. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, Mel.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Hold on.
Yes.
All right. Ready, set, look. Ta-da!
It's nice. Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, man. That's cute.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh, better go matana.
Bruh.
Bruh.
It's what I came for right here. This is
need a little bit more. New music, new mood, new position. New erotic sounds, it's going down. Now listen, I can hear your heartbeat, you sweating. I can paint a perfect picture. I get deeper and deeper. I told you I'll get you. I'll work that, murk that, just the way you like it, baby. Turn it quickie into an all-nighter, maybe. Your sex drive, it match my sex drive. Then we been moving this fast as a NASCAR ride. Switch gears, slow down, go down, well now. You can feel every inch of it when we hit intimate. I use my tongue, baby. I leave you sprung, maybe. I had your head spinning, saying 50 so crazy, so crazy.
It's a wrap. The shoot was a success.
I'm taking.
Period. 10 on the beat. All done, y'all. It's a wrap. Hey you guys, Shay here, and it's January 12th, and it's my birthday. Bow, bow, bow. I've really been home cleaning since I got home from church a little while ago. Today I don't have nothing planned. We went out last night downtown. It was fun. I brought in my birthday. Got a bunch of gifts. Super duper grateful. So many messages, so many heartfelt comments, just a bunch of things. So I'm just super grateful to see 21. I'm so excited to see what God has in store for me this year. Went and worshiped the Lord early this morning, and I'm feeling blessed than ever, and I'm so excited, like I said, to see what 21 has in store for me. So that's that. What else did I want to update y'all on? Yeah, that's it. I was supposed to go get my birthday freebies today, but child, this room gotta get cleaned. Okay. But yeah, I'm excited though. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Peace.